Welcome to madecv.com. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Yolanda Teologo.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 32 years old,
And you're from
Philippines,
Philippines. Okay, are you single or married?
separated.
Separated. Do you have children?
Yes, I have two.
Two. Where are they now?
They are living in my parents
In
in
Philippines?
Philippines.
Okay. So when would you be able to start working?
Middle of April.
Middle of April. Okay.
Yes.
Do you have relatives here in UAE?
No, I don't have, but friends only.
Friends. Okay. So please describe your present job.
I start working here since 2006, September 2006, then till present in this same family.
Okay.
And I just wanted I'm searching for a new employer because my contract it will be finished this June 5.
Okay.
So my employer wanted me to search to find another employer so they can find another maid to the office because they won't let them bring another if I'm still here. So they are in hurry and then they are asking me to find a new employer.
Okay. So what are your duties and responsibilities with the family?
I'm working all around here. I cook, I take care with the 3 children, then I clean the house.
Okay. How old are the children?
The first one is 12 years old, then the second one is 10, and the youngest is 5 years old.
5 years old. And you working for them. I think you started working for them 2006, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you like most about your present job?
What I like most from my present job is my employer. They don't let me spend money. For example, I buy for my things. They are all buying everything for me, my clothes, things, and then food. It's all free for me. So I don't.
So you enjoy because they provide you everything, all your personal
Yes.
things. Okay, well that's good. So describe in details how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house. For example, how
What
are
do
you going to clean the bedroom?
I'm going to clean the bedroom every weekly. I cleaned, for example, Monday. No, I mean Sunday. I do all the 3 bedrooms. I clean it general cleaning. Then the second day I will clean it. I will clean downstairs general cleaning the living room, and then the next day I will do the kitchen all over like that. Then the next day I will do it normal, but I will finish iron, something like that. If there is extra work, I will do.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Usually, if there are, I will talk to the interphone first, then if I know, and then I will ask first my employer if they send someone, if they send something to fix the house. Then if they said yes, let them in. I will let them in. But if they says no, no one, I will never open, and I never open if I don't know the person outside.
Okay, good. So you said you know how to cook. What kind of foods you can cook?
Filipino food, Lebanese food.
Okay, what kind of Lebanese foods you can prepare?
I cook jadra, then a lot. My employer likes me to cook his food because he says that I cook more better than his wife. Really, that's
Okay.
true.
Okay, so are you willing to learn how to cook other cuisines?
Yes, of course.
Okay,
That's my hobby.
you love
Cooking.
cooking. So can you follow instruction in cookbooks also?
Yes.
Okay. So what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself.
They said that I have patience to the children because even how naughty they are, I can handle them. And I don't know.
Okay, so you're a patient person.
Yeah.
Okay, so please give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Mm,
Why? Give a short message. Why should they hire you? For example, I'm the employer. I will
mm.
ask you, why should I hire you? Why should I choose you?
If you should choose me,
Yes,
I just
because
want because I just want to have a new employer, and then I just want to try another.
Mhm.
And
That's it.
mm,
Okay. Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from
okay, thank
maidcv.com.
you.
Thank you.